Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you a few applications that I think are some really great free apps that you can get on your Mac. The first one is Sparrow Lite. Now this is the free version of Sparrow, so it does have some advertising, but it's a really great application. See, it supports all these different languages, and it is really targeted towards Gmail users. So right up there, see where my mouse is pointing? That's where the advertisements occur, but they're not, they're not very arrogant advertisements. They're not really flashy and they don't really distract you too much. So it's a pretty good trade-off for having a free program. Now the email itself is actually laid out very similarly to the Twitter for Mac application. So it's a really nice streamlined user interface. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Here's the website. I'm going to show you the website. You can download this program off of the Mac App Store, or you can get there through sparrowmailapp.com. And this is a screenshot of what the application looks like. And here it talks about the full Sparrow program, so you can have multiple accounts, but you can't have that with Sparrow Lite, unfortunately. But it does allow you to apply labels to your emails, just like in Gmail. You can star or favorite particular messages if you want to remember to go back to them. It's a really great application, and I'm really enjoying using it right now. The next one I want to talk about is Caffeine. Some of you who have used Mac for a while probably know about this. It's right up there in your top right toolbar area. And really what it does is prevent your Mac from going to sleep. So let's say you're watching a movie and you know how your Mac can kind of turn the display off to save a battery, for example? Well, Caffeine doesn't let it do that. You access it just at the top of your right hand side of your toolbar and you click it on and off, and that's just how you use it. It's really simple to use. This next application is a really popular one. It's called Quicksilver. You can Google it or get there through this URL. And what it does is it basically launches any application you want with the using a couple of quick shortcut keys. So here's the screenshot that they provide on the website where you download it, but I'm going to show you how I use it on my computer as well. So I've labeled my my shortcut as ControlQ. And that just takes up, the last thing I opened was applications, but you can type in anything that you want to find in your computer, pictures, folders, anything that you want, and it'll automatically take you there. You just type the name, and then you hit enter, and it'll open up that application, folder, or file, no matter what you want. It's really useful, huge time saver, especially if you have a lot of applications. The next application I'm going to show you is called OpenOffice, and it is a fantastic replacement for paid word processors like Microsoft Word. It allows you to do spreadsheets and make text documents like you can see here, presentations, formulas, databases, drawings. It's just so multifunctional, and it's free. It's an open source program, so that means that you have access to looking at the code and what's happening behind the scenes of the application if you choose to. And it also means that it's completely free. So that's really great if you have just bought a Mac or you already have one and you're looking for something to replace Microsoft Word, especially if you've transferred over from having a PC and been on Windows. It's just a great program. I use it for a lot of my classes and basically anything I need to do to write up an essay or a presentation or anything like that. Now the next and final application is web-based, and it's called Dropbox. You might have heard of it before. It's actually gotten pretty popular recently, and it has to do with storing things on what is called the cloud. So it lets you keep any files that you want up to a certain gigabyte limit. I believe it's 2 gigabytes for a free account. It lets you keep all of your files on the internet, essentially, but you can access them really easily through your own computer. So when you actually install the application, if it's on your computer, you can choose where to keep a particular folder, and the folder will be labeled Dropbox, and anything that you drag and drop into that folder will also be stored on the cloud or on the Dropbox website, and then you can log in from anywhere using just your email address and your password that you sign up with, and you can access all of your files on your phone, on a tablet, or on the web. So these are my choices for the top 5 free Mac apps. If you guys have other suggestions and recommendations, just leave a comment below and I'd be happy to check out the app that you're talking about. I love finding new software. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.